Deforestation in the Amazon forest grew 30% in last years. Para Rondônia, em Mato Grosso, where the state that much of the problem focused on private land or settlements. Rover knocked down the trees, made a king of pool in the bush, did not attention size the great the forests are reacting to be locations by the fiscalization.
The Environment Ministry stated, "Be not time intends to match stabilization goals of climate change be 2010 reduce deforestation reach they plant to present and control."
Ibama Minority reported that its high thousand impactors and acknowledged that the number is to cover the entire Amazon, that is 5 million in 40 kilometers. Now our reporter Larissa will give us more information on which installment from the Ministry of Health.
The Secretary of the Environment Development in Rondônia said by the telephone which does it party actions of environment education and inspection and that other actions on the responsibility.